Hey, it's me, Taylor, and guess what? It's raining outside! And do you know what that means? I get to stay inside and take world history notes! And study for a biology test! Ew! But I don't want to do either of those things, so I guess that means I'm gonna procrastinate and make a YouTube video. I hate when I flex and my shirt rips. Oh no, not my shirt again. Oh, look at that, it ripped again. Oh. I love prank calls. Let's prank call my mom. That sounds like fun, since she's not like even home right now, so let's call her. Okay. Okay. I got this.
Hello?
Hi, is this a relationship hotline? Cause what?
Dude, what are you doing? Stop playing around!
What are you? This isn't Taylor.
Okay, smart one. You forgot to block your number. Your picture and number show up on my car ID. Yeah. Love you, sweetie.
I love you too, Mom. Oh. That failed.
Yeah, boy. Rolling like a fruit shot. Chevy tuned up like a NASCAR fruit stop. Fresh job. Fresh inside.
Oh my gosh, they got a new Orbit Gum lady. So I'm sitting there, I think it was on Thursday. I'm having a really good day watching MTV, and then all of a sudden, this Orbit Gum commercial comes on where they're like spoofing the proposal, and then this girl goes, "Dirty mouth, clean it up with some Orbit Gum," and her accent didn't even sound real. Like the originally is like whatever her accent was. I think it was British. Like her sounded real. This new girl's was super fake. So I'm like sitting there really mad, like freaking out about it. So you know what? I don't chew Orbit Gum anymore. I chew 5 gum. Yeah, that's right. 5 gum stimulates your senses. Buy that. Orbit Gum my butt. Do you guys want to see how fast I can talk? Okay, so I'll tell you about the story about the time that I had to get stitches in my knee. Okay, you ready for it? Here I go.
Spring cutters on the table, so there's an so like, oh, I'm trying, so look, okay, so they gave me asphalt, and I go to ship it, I'm gonna ship it with my just, I jumped in the air, but then tested two, so I got double bounce, and then I floated in the air, and I went through the springs, and then I was laughing about it, Clark was laughing, and then I was like, oh, I think my legs really gotta go, so I gotta get right, so then I jumped trampoline, and then I was laughing at my tail, and I'm like, oh my gosh, because it's huge chunks on my knee, so then I was like, call my mom, and that really kind of, she's like, oh, it's a really, she's like, well, we want to do that here, what kind of work, so I'm like, okay, so then I just figured out it, and I texted mom, put this like pack and everything on it, and I just called my mom, and my mom just couldn't get me, and my mom looked at it, goes to the store, buys me something out, and then she's like, keep those, I'm like, no, she doesn't know this is a really big deal, and then she sent me to the doctor, but then had to go to emergency because it was.
And that's my story. Yeah, I bet you wish you could talk that fast, but now I have to go do my homework, so I'll talk to you guys later. So, peace out, Cub Scout. Oh!
Supersonic motivating rhymes start to 80. And everybody knows that JJ Fad is devastating. We know you like a girl, so you better get girl. Cause we are the home chicks that are rocking your